morning.
Morning.
We have come to the very windy Castleton this morning, which is a really popular area of the Peak District. Probably one of the busiest areas you can come to, but for a reason. There's so many amazing things to do around here. So we're just going to be walking onto Mam Tor, probably doing a little circular walk around to Castleton, back up Winnats Pass and back to the car.
So Mam Tor itself sits in the dark peak of the Peak District and overlooks the wide peak where Winnats Pass sits. Its name translates to Mother Hill because there are regular landslides on its eastern side, and those landslides normally create loads of mini hills. So basically Mam Tor is the mother of these little mini hills. The greatest proof of these regular landslides is the old Mam Tor road, which ran along the eastern side of Mam Tor. It was built in the 1800s but was closed down in 1979 due to constant resurfacing, and the tarmac in some parts of this old road is over 2 meters thick because they had to resurface it so often. But it was good for the area because it helped to divert all the heavy traffic out of the area, so now it's only light vehicles that can drive through Winnats Pass itself.
Okay, so we've descended from Mam Tor, so we're finally out the wind, which is nice.
Yeah, it's always windy up there, no matter what the day is.
And now we're headed to Castleton, which is a very popular village in the Peak District, probably one of the most popular destinations for a lot of people visiting, because there's just so much to do around this area. You've got Mam Tor, Winnats Pass, you've got about 4 or 5 cave systems around this area that you can come to on sort of a bad day if it's raining or something. And a very famous piece of rock that's only mined in this particular area of the world called Blue John. It's really rare. There's only 2 caves in this area that actually you're able to mine this Blue John in.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows.
So just in front here is the entrance to the Devil's Arse, which is a funny name for what is actually the largest cave entrance in the whole of Britain. And you can see it's pretty spectacular.
There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes.
So we're out of Castleton, heading up Winnats Pass now, which you can see behind us. It's a limestone gorge in the White Peak, so just across from Mam Tor, which is the dark peak, but this is kind of like the border.
And it's also, according to legend, the pass is haunted by a young couple. In 1758 they decided to elope, and as they were walking through the pass they got mugged and murdered by the miners, and apparently the miners buried their bodies in one of the caves, and their bodies were found about 10 years later. They say that up to date the pass is haunted by that young couple.
Spooky. So we're just heading back to the car now. We've completed our walk. It was pretty spectacular. I mean, freezing cold this morning.
Yeah, well, it definitely improved.
but definitely worth coming here early, because right now it's just super busy. Like, there's a constant stream of people everywhere. So if you are going to come out to Castleton and try and do Mam Tor Winnats Pass, definitely try and get here as early as you can, especially if you come on a weekend. But no, we hope you enjoyed this video and this look around the top things to do around Castleton, and we will see you on the next video. Bye.